Welcome back to the Wealth Spectrum, where we uncovered the investment strategies of the world's top financial minds. Today we're diving into the portfolio of Bridgewater Associates led by the legendary Ray Dalio. Known for his groundbreaking principles and the all-weather portfolio, Dalio's approach offers timeless lessons for every investor. Before we dive in, just a quick note that this video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Always do your own research or consult a professional before making any investment decisions. So, Ray Dalio's investment philosophy is rooted in macroeconomic principles and an unwavering commitment to diversification. His famous weather portfolio aims to balance risk and reward across all over market conditions. But what's even more fascinating is how this philosophy comes to life in Bridgewater's real-world portfolio. Let's look at the 15 largest positions held by Bridgewater Associates as of their latest filings. Here is the breakdown. So, first we have SPY. The ETF follows the S&P 500. Then we have IVV from BlackRock at 5.5% of the portfolio. Then we have IEMG at 4.23% of portfolio. And then we have individual stocks. First we have Google with 3.14%. Then we have Nvidia with 2.15%, then Meta with 1.67%, then Microsoft with 1.29%, then we have Vistra Corporation with 1.12%. Then we have AMD, Advanced Micro Devices, at 1%. I want to say something about AMD here that in my opinion, this stock is really undervalued at this moment. I'm gonna make a video about this stock in the future. I think, in my opinion, I think it's a good opportunity. Of course, as I told you before, I'm not a financial advisor. Then we continue with Constellation Energy, CEG. Then we have Amazon Corporation with 0.93%. After that, we have PayPal with 0.92%. Then we have the famous Visa with 0.89%. Then we have MCK with 0.86%. And then we have LRCX with 0.84%. These positions reflect, in my opinion, a mix of US equities, emerging market exposure, and even bonds and gold. True to Dalio's balanced approach to risk management, his emphasis on consumer staples, healthcare, and large cap ETFs showcases his belief in stability and growth across various economic cycles. You know, Dalio's strategy teaches us the importance of understanding economy trends and building a portfolio that isn't dependent on a single outcome. His holdings reveal a masterclass in diversification. This is the most, I think, important thing to know about Ray Dalio as an investor. Now, I want you to think about Ray Dalio's portfolio. Which of these holdings do you find most interesting? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our deep dives into the world's greatest investors. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.